How's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about local versus global scope. In the past, we can call it that as a local versus global variable, but now it's a scope because we have new thing on from ES6 is called constant. So, speaking of constant, let's begin with constant. What we're gonna do is make a block, and inside that we're gonna do const message. Make it as a string hello and log it on a console message. So what's gonna happen? It says hello, but the moment we paste on that, it becomes uncaught reference error. So why this happen? This you see here is called a local variable or a local constant in this case, and the moment you remove from that, it becomes and global scope. So let's show here const message equals so what's gonna happen is it become the global message. So and now what we're gonna do is function and name it like start and const message, and it will say like hey, and what we're gonna do is and log it on a console. Now set the function, and as you can see, when it is under the hood, I mean under the function, it says hi, and when we do at a global scope, it says hello, means hey. And this is what I mean by that global variables and local variables. We also can define in a for loop like let I, this will be a local variable, and there are lots of examples of that. This is not just it, and I will suggest you to make less local global variables than of local variables, because you messed up when you change the locals. This is also called an overflow because it flow the variables from each to another, and there are lots of problem with that too. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.